No, you're not. This is where maturity comes in. You're not understanding.
What I'm saying is that the issue that it keeps happening will keep happening.
Let me say something. You're trying to hold on to her for your power and your own reasons because this is good for your ego. And that has something to do with your son, spiritual birth. I know all about it. And then you want to add Neytiri for egotistical, greedy reasons.
That's a perspective.
It's not a perspective, it's the truth.
If you would
What's deep down inside of yourself is the absolute truth. Because it makes no objective sense to take on even Zoca.
If there was no camera rolling, when we were online at all, I still do it.
What do you mean? Because you haven't developed. What do you mean if there was no cameras?
I don't need Zoca to feel good.
What do you mean? I never said no. It's not about Zoca. It's not about that. It's about being like Babaji. You want to be like Babaji so bad that you keep the woman that is toxic for you. That's the issue.
It's the overgiving stuff to keep the woman in that area.
It's obvious that this is not healthy. But you're willing to take it on just to feel like Babaji.
Mm-hmm. And so I think...
Well, Babaji wouldn't do it.
I think, yeah, I see what you're saying. Because I see how he would handle the situation.
Babaji would have been got rid of
She wouldn't be able to do that.